As the unofficial reviewer of Moebius model kits, I'm going to take a look at the Super Deformed Viper Mark II. This kit really doesn't have a scale, retails right around $30 and is available online or at your local hobby shop. As always, I always start with the box, beautiful painted box art. I couldn't find an artist who did it, so I'm going to call this standard box art. I do know Chris Mason did the concept work for this kit. Also find out right here that the kit itself is a snap together model kit and a skill level 3 snap kit at that. Beautiful box art. The back of the box shows you the built up kit, which is built by Jim Small from the Small Artworks. The instructions, they are black and white. And pretty straightforward. And the decal and painting guide. The kit itself, it comes poly bag that's molded in white styrene in roughly 15 parts. And there's the wings. The other side of the wings, I really see no flash or any sink marks on the kit at all. The top fin and the nose cone. The engines. And detail's pretty sharp on there for a super deformed kit. Not too shabby. The fuselage. One thing I did notice when I was test fitting these two, which I didn't snap all the way together, there's a little bit of flash on the inside here. You may have to take a hobby knife and just trim it out, and you'll have a more flush fit. The other fuselage, and this is not a big kit. It's basically roughly about 4 inches long when assembled, and let's say about 6 inches with the wings on wide. And you do get a stand. For decals, you do get basically 3 sheets. You get 2 stickers and 1 water slide decals. Here's the stickers if you so desire. You do get a, I want to call it a hot rod sticker for the Viper Mark II. Which, if I do find an artist, I will update this video in the comment section on who the artist did the box art. The decal sheet. Now, one thing I got to mention right here, the decal sheet, if you feel it, they feel very thick. You can actually feel the decals itself. They're almost raised. But after that, after the raise, I don't know how well they apply, but they do feel raised rather than a smooth sheet. But anyway, that's it. Very simple kit. Really should be a fun build. Do highly recommend the Super Deformed Viper Mark II.